All right, lay it out for us.
It's a bright green light.
Yeah.
I mean, for tech, because to me, it's like, think about it, you got AI revolution hitting its next stage of growth. We've seen it with Oracle, NVIDIA, and across the rest of tech. Now you got a cut cycle. In my opinion, this is really going to turbocharge this tech rally. And it's not just about Mag 7.
Yeah.
It's about second, third, fourth derivatives.
Yeah.
I think tech stocks could be up another 10% between now and the rest of the year.
Is that more of a sentiment issue, the idea that with the Fed being more accommodative, or is this really about like cost of capital? Because I would assume a lot of these people in the tech space, these companies in the tech space aren't really borrowing.
Well, I think that's part of it. I mean, this is on, and guess what they're going to spend on? AI, data centers. So it speaks to our view. Like, look, tech's had a strong year so far, but it's get the popcorn out. I mean, this is still, we've talked about it, it's only 10:15, 10:30 p.m. in that party that goes to 4 a.m., started at 9 p.m. a year ago. And you look, it's software, it's chips. You look at now the data center side, the power side, names like GE Vernova and others. I mean, that to me is the most exciting. It's about the second, third, fourth derivative is playing out across tech.
And we kind of started to see that, particularly based on what we saw out of this earnings period. I mean, Oracle was really kind of, just, I won't say it surprised everyone, but it was certainly the punctuation mark and the idea that it is broadening out. We were talking the other day about how Corning was, up for like 11 straight days. And you have all these stocks that were kind of either forgotten or not really considered to be part of that tech AI trade that now are getting a lot more attention.
Well, I think that's, it's a great point, because that's now the focus. Because investors, they're looking to see, okay, who now is going to benefit small cap, mid cap, software, across chips? Because there's just further validation that this AI revolution is hitting this next stage of growth. Use cases are exploding. Look what's happened on the consumer side as well. CapEx continues to be rock solid. And I think as that plays out in a cut cycle, look, I just think tech, it's in the left lane in a Ferrari going 100 miles an hour. And I think that, look, there's going to be speed bumps along the way. But just like we saw with NVIDIA, China News, and others, I just view those as bark worse than a bite, because this now is the start, I think, the next leg of the bull cycle.